This award truly goes out to a lady who is in herself a force and a power to reckon with. For everyone that is in Goa, she truly needs no introduction. For everyone that's a part of the hospitality, hoteliering, restauranting ecosystem of India, again to them, she truly needs no introduction. But still, here I am standing at the podium doing my job, and I will try my best to read out her profile to you as we welcome her on the stage for a very grand honor this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Anju Timlo, married to Mr. Avdut Timlo, and they have 3 sons. Despite being busy with motherhood, she has given her entire focus and has been passionately involved with Fomento Resorts and Hotels Private Limited Goa for the last 40 years. Having been a gold medalist and a top achiever in economics and law, she's been a law teacher. She's been the president of All India Women's Conference Goa branch. She's organized social fundraisers, established Fomento Education Charitable Society and a hospitality college in Goa. Presently, she is the managing director and CEO of Fomento Resorts and Hotels Private Limited. Under the aegis of this brand that I'm talking about, you are sitting in their flagship property in Goa, the Taj Siddharth Goa Heritage and the Taj Siddharth Goa Horizon, and the upcoming resort in Maharashtra, Rakela.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल.